Hi, dear friends. We were discussing about comedy as a form and types of comedy, and we have seen romantic comedy also in my previous video. Today, we are going to see or discuss comedy of manners. The phrase comedy of manners is particularly applied in English to the plays of the Restoration dramatists and especially to Congreve, William Congreve, and Wycherley, Thomas Wycherley. But is a type of comedy which can flourish in any civilized urban society, and we see it again in Sheridan and Oscar Wilde. The English comedy of manners, was early exemplified by Shakespeare's Love's Labour's Lost and Much Ado About Nothing, and was given a high polish in Restoration comedy. A Restoration period was started in 1660 and ended with 1700. Why this period is called Restoration? This question will perhaps arouse in your mind. It is because King Edward was restored on the English throne on 1660, and that's why the period is called Restoration period. The Restoration form owes much to the brilliant dramas of the French writer Molière, who was born in 1622 and died in 1673. It deals with the relations and intrigues of men and women living in the sophisticated upper class society, and relies for comic effects in a large part on the wit and sparkle of the dialogue, often in the form of repartee, a witty conversational give and take which constitutes a kind of verbal fencing match, and to a lesser degree on the violations of social conventions and decorum by would-be wits, jealous husbands, conniving rivals, and foppish dandies. This form deals with the relations and intrigues of gentlemen and ladies living in a sophisticated society. It relies upon comic effect in great part on the wit and sparkle of the dialogues, and to a certain degree on the ridiculous violations of social conventions and decorum by stupid characters such as would-be wives, jealous husbands, foppish dandies. Excellent examples are Congreve's The Way of the World and Wycherley's The Country Wife. The main thirst in the comedy of manners is to make fun not so much of individual human being as of social group and their fashionable manner. So in short, you will come to know what exactly the comedy of manners is. It is the reflection of upper middle class societies, customs and traditions owned by the people of the particular class. Their behavior with each other, their manners, and their overall style of living is represented in such kinds of dramas. William Congreve and Thomas Wycherley explained all these um, stylistic kind of living of upper class people in their place. So there are social conventions and decorum by the would-be wits, jealous husbands, and other popish dandies are extremely unadjustable or unadoptable by common people who are always eager to know about the people of upper class and their living style. So, in this comedy of manners, all such lives are decorated by a particular dramatists of a restoration period. So, comedy of manners is, as its title shows, that it is the comedy that creates a wit, humor, and happiness by exploring the living style of the upper class people in the society. So this is the comedy of manners. I have told you some examples of comedy of manners by William Congreve and Thomas Wycherley. The Way of the World and The Country Wife are the best examples of comedy of manners. Then next point is satirical comedy. Satirical comedy ridicules political or philosophical doctrines or else attacks deviations from the social order by making ridiculous the violators of its standards of morals or manners. Please understand that it is a political or philosophical ridicules or else attacks deviations from the social order by making ridiculous the violators of its standards of morals or manners. It is one kind of a satire or critical attack on such political philosophical doctrines. The early master of satiric comedy was the Greek Aristophanes before the Christ immersion, and his period was 450 to 385 BCE, whose plays mocked political, philosophical, and literary matters of his age. The subject of satire is human vice and folly. Human vice was the subject of his satire. Its characters includes criminals, tricksters, deceivers, wheeler dealers, two-timers, hypocrites, and fortune seekers, and the gullible dupes, knaves, goops, and cuckolds, who serve as their all too willing victims. Satirical comedies resembles other types of comedy in that they trace the rising fortune of the central character. However, in this case, the central character, like virtually anybody else in the play or story, is like to be a cynical, foolish, or morally corrupt. There are some examples given here of Aristophanes The Birds, Ben Jonson's Volpone. In its most extreme forms, that is the movies Fargo and Pulp Fiction, satirical comedy spills over into so-called black comedy, where we are invited to laugh at events that are mortifying or grotesque. So, a satirical comedy is one kind of a type of comedy that criticizes human characters, that includes con artists, criminals, tricksters, deceivers, and all these human beings in the society, their behavior, their overall life, and their experiences through various scenes. So, such comedy spills over into so-called black comedy also, where we were invited to laugh at events that are mortifying and are grotesque. So this is a ridiculous political or philosophical doctrines, once again I would like to remind you, or else attacks deviations from the social order by making ridiculous the violators of its standards of morals or manners. So this is the kind of satirical comedy, and the best examples of satirical comedy are Aristophanes' The Birds and Ben Jonson's Volpone. We will see another types of comedy in my next video. Thank you.